Members should ensure employees are familiar with the conditions and operations for which their mowers will be used. The information contained in this presentation is not a substitute for reading and understanding the complete operator's manual provided with your mower. If you did not receive one, please contact that dealer, or you may possibly download one online. Hi, I'm James Bailey, Loss Prevention Training Specialist for Texas Municipal League Intergovernmental Risk Pool. Obviously, due to the pandemic, myself as a trainer, I'm not able to get out to our member cities and do any hands-on training. Luckily, we have technology to kind of get us through these hard times right now. One thing I want to talk to you about today is preventative maintenance on our zero-turn mowers. And the reason I'm bringing that to you today is spring is right around the corner, and obviously we're going to have to use these things quite a bit. The first thing I want to talk about is fresh oil changes. You want to make sure you change the oil in your machine before you start a new season. If you're putting a lot of hours on it during the season, we want to stay on top of that. Another thing I want to talk to you about is air filters. Air filters, oil changes, that's the life of that motor. We're talking about fuel filters. If it has an inline fuel filter, make sure that we're changing those, getting it ready for the new season. Also, belts and pulleys. Look at your belts. If they're dry rotted, cracked in any way, frayed, anything like that, we want to make sure that we're replacing those. The pulleys and spindles. If that pulley has any slack in it or any hard wear marks, if it has a grease zerk, make sure that we are greasing these things because that is the life and the longevity of those pulleys and spindles. Another thing is the blades. If they can be sharpened, take them to have somebody sharpen them. If you're not able to do that yourself, if they look bent or have any big gouges or chips out of them, obviously we want to replace those. That will throw that blade, that weight out of proportion and start damaging that bearing or that spindle. So anyway, just a few things, few tips. Hopefully this gets to the right people and we have a good, safe year. Thank you for your time and thank you for your membership.
Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and follow us on social media. See our website, TMLIRP.org, for links to our training program descriptions and calendar for in-person learning opportunities, as well as risk management resource articles, online learning classes, and media library listing. For more information and to suggest video topics, contact your loss prevention representative, email lossprevention@tmlirp.org, or call Loss Prevention at 800-537-6655. We want to help with your safety and risk management program.